Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ina, your host and Good Cravings founder, and on this channel we are replacing bad cravings with good ones by recreating our favorite foods only using healthy whole food ingredients. Today we're making plant-based protein Christmas cookie. Why? Well, because it's the season, and second of all, who doesn't love a good cookie? But it's gonna be nothing fancy. We're just gonna do a really easy, simple recipe, because once you nail down the basic recipe, you can always take it to the next level, and you don't need to make it only for Christmas. It can be any weekend healthy cookie.
I like to focus on recipes that are quite simple and don't require a lot of ingredients. So as for this recipe, we're gonna need some healthy swaps that you may need to purchase. To give this cookie a Christmas look, we're gonna use Jingle Mix sprinkles. And let's begin with our recipe. So you would need half a cup of plant-based butter. I'm using this brand called Melt, and you're gonna let your butter stand in room temperature for a couple of hours so it can soften up. So go ahead and add your butter to a mixing bowl. Then you're gonna add your sweetener. I'm cutting sugar in half here, and I'm only use a quarter cup of a regular sugar. You can use coconut sugar if you like, and a quarter of a cup of monk fruit sweetener. Cream your butter with sugar until nice and fluffy, and then add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
In place of the egg, we're gonna use aquafaba, which became a popular egg replacement in the plant-based world recently. If you don't know what aquafaba, it's a reserved liquid from a can of garbanzo beans. So that is what aquafaba is.
We're using about, I would say, 2 to 4 tablespoons of aquafaba liquid to make our cookie nice and moist. We're gonna add it to our wet ingredients. Now take a separate bowl, and it's time to mix our dry ingredients, which would be 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and about 1/4 cup of protein powder of your choice. Just give it a quick whisk and add our liquid ingredients to this mixture. I'm switching up for dough hooks as our dough is getting more dense and sticky. Then I'm gonna add on our sprinkles. That will be our last ingredient to add, and give it another mix until well incorporated. And check your dough. It should be very pliable. You should be able to roll it into separate bowls.
Our dough is ready. It's nice and moist and it's sticky. So I have this silicone cookie sheet that I'm gonna be using in place of aluminum foil, and we're simply gonna roll little balls and flatten them with the fork to give them the cookie shape.
Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and bake your cookies for about 15 minutes. Pair it with your favorite nut milk and enjoy.
All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this simple, festive, healthy dessert. If you end up making the recipe, don't forget to tag us at Good Cravings on Instagram or Facebook. So spoilers alert, this Saturday, December 12th, we're launching our end of year sale. So if you want to stock up on some bars before the end of this year to start this 2021 with the stock of fresh Good Cravings bars, this is gonna be your chance. The sale is only gonna last for 7 days, so I hope you're gonna use this opportunity. Otherwise, I'm looking, guys, for your comments and for any other suggested recipes we should try on this channel. And I love you so much. We'll see you next time.